If you're looking for a completely free AI art generator, then you've come to the right place. AI, of course, stands for artificial intelligence, and this is a completely free AI art generator. Let's jump in and check out some features. Okay, the name of the website is Dream by WOMBO, and I'll put a link in the video description below. It's completely free. You can sign up if you like. I'm just going to scroll on down here, and at the very bottom, there's a bunch of features and stuff. There's three options here. There's iOS, which is like your Apple, Android, and then there's also Try Dream on Web. That's what I'm going to click here. Try Dream on Web. I'm on a PC, and this just gets you to a very nice prompt. Now I've signed in. It's free to register, and I've got my little avatar up here on the right hand side, and the reason I do that is just to avoid some of the ads and the pop-ups that happen, but it didn't cost me any money. Now here in the enter prompt, you can type anything you like. Now the trick is always, well, what am I going to create? Because you're limited, but just by your imagination and your typing skills. So I would recommend you start off really simple. Type in a one-word prompt. So for example, I'm going to type in the word cat, and then down below there's different art styles, and some of them are premium, which cost money, but there's lots and lots of free options here, like a lot. So what I'm going to do is just start here with Monster V3, and I'll click Create. Now you're going to see over on the right hand side, you've got 3 premium buckets. Those cost money, but you get 1 free one, and you can run this as many times as you like. It just takes a few seconds for it to run. Okay, and there's our result that comes up. Now there's a little expand button over here on the bottom right hand side. If I click on that, you'll see the preview comes up. I'm going to save this preview and we'll check out how big it is. So I'm just going to right click it and go Save Image As. I'm using Mozilla Firefox, but it's similar in other web browsers. Okay, and now we can see here Cat Monster shows up as 960 pixels by 1568 pixels. I'm going to click on the properties as well, and we can see it's 96 dpi. So it's not a huge image. It's probably not going to be great for fine art prints. So you may want to upscale this design online if you want to make it a bit bigger, but it's a decent image and it does look good. The AI actually is pretty cool, and it gives you a pretty high quality image, at least from a display perspective. Now if you click on the save option instead of the preview option, you're going to notice that the file size is the exact same. So here's my saved image. It's 960 by 1568, and my preview image was also 960 by 1568. So it really all comes down to your different prompts and your different art styles. I'm going to type in cat, clouds, city, jacket, moon, stars. So you can go really detailed if you like. And I'm going to find, for example, this spectral one, and I'm going to click Create. I really like spectral. It seems to get a lot of detail in the image, although it doesn't always match exactly. So here, for example, I don't really see a cat, but it shows me a really nice cityscape. So if you're looking for cityscapes, then this can be a really nice feature, the spectral one. I find as well Retro Sci-Fi version 2 will give you back some pretty good results, although they don't always match the individual text result. So here, for example, I've got cat, cloud, city, jacket, moon, stars. Well, there's no jacket, there's no cat, but there is some city and some moon and some stars. So you'd want to check it out. Different art styles seem to react positively to different keywords and not so much to other keywords. But I will say the style of the art is pretty spectacular for being generated in under 10 seconds. Okay, so again, I'll put a link to this in the video description below. It's dream.ai. I think it's great. You can sign up for free, and there's all sorts of different art styles. You can spend hours and hours going in here and checking out the different things with Dream by WOMBO. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your graphic design journey. Thanks a lot for watching.